it's almost as a video game. And it's a lot of fun, and you have to spend a few days to do that, to really understand what those models are capable of and also what they are not capable of.
The biggest difference between evaluating a language model and then just testing from an application is that, like, from like software development perspective, you have sort of known primitives and fixed APIs where you know the extent of things. With language models, you have this very complex artifact of a training process, and you don't even know the full domain in which it can operate. You don't know what's in domain data, and so there's both just even from the starting from the get-go of wanting to evaluate, is this the type of application I can build? You have to have some sort of exploration process, coming up with a lot of these different tasks that you would consider aren't in the training data, and then just see how well it does. And so tracing for language models, for image models, you want to be visualizing different things, visualizing how the network is working. This lets you go and then sort of see how it behaves, and then you start to understand, just given a certain input, what kind of output is going to generate, at least in the common cases. And then as you start to understand and reason about how well it will perform for a specific task that you want to do, then you can start to make it a little bit more rigid and coming up with data sets and coming up with these other things in order to be comparing performance and like gradually, incrementally improve on those. And this second step mirrors a lot of what public benchmarks do. You have to just really like put it out there and just like look at it and try to experiment and see what it's possible of until you can finally formalize a task.